Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the bash scripts in the Linux. So this is the full-fledged new series in the bash scripting, right? Those who are working on the Linux based software, that is useful for those one who are working in the IT department, or they are working as a career in the DevOps. So this is very important, that is the bash scripting, right? So what exactly the bash script is? So bash script is a series of commands written in a file. Okay, suppose I want to install, whenever as a developer, when we are trying to install any of the package for the Node.js, what we are going to do, npm install. Okay, so in that case, if you write this command, echo npm install in a bash scripting file and run that bash scripting, whatever commands written in that file, it will execute line by line, and it will gives you it will decrease the time of yours, like writing a command or something. You just write all the commands in a single file, run it, and it will do all the tasks whatever you are doing it manually, right? So it's very useful, very easy to do in a bash scripting. So bash scripting is a series of commands written in a file. They are read executed by the bash program. The program executed line by line. For example, if you want to go over a certain path, like if I go to the the home directory, so what I need to cd slash home or something, you need to just write this command into your bash scripting, run this command, do the same process only, but it is one time efforts that you are writing all the commands whatever the requirement of your project or something. You can say it like automation. So you can use the bash scripting in the automation part, right? Suppose I'm creating a react project, right? So what are the commands I need to write it, npx create react app, right? Name of the project, then npm install. Okay, I need to install such three four packages, then run the server. So all these commands I will write into a file and I will run it when there is a project done. Okay, so it will execute the all the code line by line, and it will decrease the time of your efforts, right? So that is basically a bash scripting that we are going to learn in this series of tutorials, right? So let's see what are the different type of shell commands that we are using in the Linux. So let's see, have a look on that. Okay, so first, see what are the shell commands that are Linux using. You need to type this one, cat etc shells, right? So you can see that there is a sh, there is a bash, there's a user bin bash, bin r bash, user bin r bash, bin dash, and user bin dash. So in this series of tutorial we are using the bash scripting. Okay, so let's see how we are going to use the bash scripting, what is the phenomena of writing the bash scripting. Okay, if it is not there, then you need to check it out, like your Linux operating system supports the bash scripting or not. Okay, but my operating system is supporting the bash scripting, so I'm going to use the bash scripting. I will show you step by step guide how to use the bash scripting, how to pass the variables arguments, what are the variables, what are the code develop automation of the react node, or any of the project that we are going to use, or maybe magento or something. We all do with the help of the automation with the bash scripting. Be with us in the coming series of the bash script tutorial. Okay, if you really like the video, then please do like it, and in the comment section do let me know that you want this tutorial in the bash scripting. I will upload that tutorial later on. Okay, so in the coming tutorial we are going to learn how to create a bash scripting, how to add echo the hello world, and the predefined variables of the bash scripting in the later video. Okay, so be with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Have a nice day.